What's up, 1KB family? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're out here somewhere in Toronto doing the front of this home here. We're installing some natural stone veneer. And always, your boy Ryan want to walk you through the process step by step. I thought to install something like this, if this is something that you're interested of learning how to do. Before we get started, I want to walk you through, show you what it's like and what we're about to do in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Let's go over there. So on this job site, it seems like there was a contractor here before. Now if you're a contractor and you're watching this video, I would like to know why you walk off this job and don't take it. But clearly I can see with the experience, I can see that someone else came here and started it. And I don't know if they can't manage it or what. But if you're watching and you're the one, comment in the bottom, we would like to hear. Now let's go over here and show you what it's like. Now one thing that he did, which I don't know if it's him or it's the homeowner, is to install a hell bracket here. So this is a ledge. So usually I would get a piece of 2x4 and I would create a level surface. Use my laser, run a level right along, level off everything. And that way I would work right up until my 2x4 go all the way up. Afterwards we will remove it. Now this is a starting point. I kind of like it. It don't seems like it's level to me. It looks like it's running down a little bit, but I'm gonna find out in a minute. But I like this. If you're watching, you're the one who did this here. Nicely bracket up, nicely secure it into the foundation with a few screws. I have to give a thumbs up for that. But yeah, as you see here, before it was a brick wall, and they came and they put some wire mesh. It's a little bit on the rougher side. It could be a little bit more smoother than what it is. You know, it's some high points, a lot of low points. I'm doing this, I don't do this if it's a block, if it's a brick wall, unless the brick is deteriorated, where, you know, we need to have something screwed into the brick to secure it properly. But it's fine. You can do this if you like. It's just an extra layer of protection, I guess. Maybe the brick is deteriorated here. So we're gonna go over here and show you this side. So we're gonna go right across here. Shout out to our boy Helder here. Yeah man, ready up to. So we're going there, moving around. We're gonna work right along here as well. Right over the door. Come all the way around here. We're also gonna make a 1 foot return right onto the stucco here. Seems like they probably change their mind afterwards. Here. We're also gonna have stone right along the bottom of the front porch here. Go right around. Enough said. No further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, as always, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Pro tip. Making sure to level the first course before you start laying the rest of the stone. Getting that first row straight and level is crucial for the entire installation. Once you've got that foundation set, the rest will fall in place much easier. So take your time, get the first course right before you try to rush through. And you always want to use your spacer. Here we're using a 1/4 inch and a 1/8 spacer combined. That way we have a nice consistent joint as we work our way up. Enjoy the video. After Hilda finish here, Ryan gonna jump right on and go through and show you guys how to install this stone. If you have any question concerning this installation, leave them down in the comment section, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. In this video, Hilda will be laying stone a bit different from the way I am laying stone. After you finish watch the video, I want you to go down in the comment and let me know what's the difference that Elder is doing from what I'm doing, and which one you think would stand out more. It's just a two different technique we're using here. I'm not sure if you guys are making it out, but let me know in the comment if you are. Are you? Did the outfits anywhere there? Huh?
Might catch up.
Mike.
They don't flex first.
As you heard earlier, I said that it doesn't look like it's level. I'm right on the money. It's not level. So we're gonna have to figure out a way how to level our first stone. But the first stone is the most important one. You want to make sure that you get it right.
Installing veneer stone can be a great way to add some character and beauty to your wall. Start by preparing the surface, making sure it's clean and level. Next, apply a layer of mortar to the back of the stone and the wall, using spacers to maintain an even gap and ensure a proper alignment as you work your way up.
Beautiful. This is good now. Sometimes you might find where you have to use triple up your spacers.